The guildsmen were high-class, wise-speaking socialites. A socialite is a person who is well-known in fashionable society. Dressed to impress, clean and fresh, they wore decorative girdles and pouches, and they also had good hygiene. All their gear was new and expensive. Their knives were made of silver rather than brass, which made it more expensive. They were all arrogant know-it-alls. Arrogant is a high sense of self-importance. They would have justified a plan to make each one of them an alderman, and an alderman is a member of the town council. Most influenced by their bossy wives, their wives pushed them to become higher in society. The modern equivalent of a guildsman would have to be a high-class swag fag nowadays. The summoner was a bearer of bad news, and he was commonly feared by children due to the fact that he brought bad news and also because of his scary looks. The text referred to him as a troubled alcoholic who considered to be crazy at times. In the text it said, drinking strong red wine till all was hazy, then he would shout and jabber as if he was crazy. The summoner's physical appearance scared many people away due to his carbuncles, which were pus-filled skin inflammation similar to boils, his scabby eyebrows, a thin, scruffy beard, and his other pimples and blemishes, which back then the medicine could not cure because there wasn't any medicine strong enough. The summoner was sent by the courts to pursue criminals. Chaucer was sure to bring up the fact that whenever a fellow person would bring up an issue with the Pope, that the summoner would avoid the issue by saying, "I ask what point of the law applies," to stall the issue. We think that Chaucer says this because it shows the church's influence on the summoner. A summoner is equivalent to the modern-day process server, who is a person who delivers papers to people to make them aware of issues brought up in court.